gonna be installing the top cover for a Chevy Colorado. And just to show you, you get it flush right here all the way where you need it. Then you move back down here. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You tighten this up, this one, other one on the other side. Then flip it over. Okay. You move this down, line it out, clamp it down right there. Same thing over here. Move it down. Break it. You adjust them like just turn it around. Okay, and that's it. Get it right there. And I've been using it for like 2 weeks so far, and real heavy duty, no problems with it. Highly recommend it. This is the review on the top cover. We've been using it for a week already, and it's still sound is all perfect. Very good product. I actually recommend it a lot. Really easy installation. Just only 4 brackets to install this one and the one right on the back. So if you're looking for a top cover, I would really recommend you this one.